Now, when I was a little lad, I loved mini beasts. I loved going out and about and looking for them in my garden. And there are lots of things we can all do to help these mini beasts. For a start, you can let parts of your garden grow wild. This is brilliant for all kinds of things, from butterflies and bees to earthworms to all kinds of little mini beasts. You can also create a compost pile. That is fantastic, and if you're really lucky, you might get something like a slowworm or even a hedgehog coming looking for slugs and snails. And of course, we can all put up bug boxes and we can build bug hotels. They are fantastic for all kinds of very special mini beasts. Why do I say special? Well, I say special because without mini beasts, well, a lot of our plants wouldn't be pollinated. We probably wouldn't have apples and pears. And also, they provide food for a lot of mammals and birds. And there are plenty of books out there to help you get to know your mini beasts better. Books like Norman, the Slug with a Silly Shell. That's a brilliant book. Do You Love Bugs? That's a fantastic one as well. And this one, Winnie and Wilbur, the Bug Safari. So get out there to your local library and go and enjoy your mini beasts.